Hey, look at this. God damn. Dude, he's probably one of the biggest drug dealers in this area. You're not free to leave!
On February 14th, 2025, at the Red Roof Inn in Albuquerque, the investigation began when police located a vehicle belonging to Marina Maya Perez, who was wanted on an outstanding felony warrant for armed robbery. Officers tracked her to room 221, but they were about to be shocked by the scale of what they would discover inside.
Hello, police department. Hi. How's it going? Good. Is Marina in here? Yeah. All right. Open the door.
Hello.
Hi, Marina.
Hey.
I'm Officer Coronado. I need you to step out right now.
Okay.
So right now you're showing that you have a felony warrant.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
So right now you're being detained, okay? We'll get you a shirt, we'll cover you up.
Okay.
I'll just confirm the warrant. If it confirms, you're gonna get booked for it. If it doesn't, I'll release you and you can go back to doing whatever you're doing, all right?
Can you keep the dog inside?
Yeah, she needs shirt and stuff.
Will you give me a shirt, please? Or a sweater? I have a sweater right there.
Who's this guy?
He's just my friend.
Friend.
Yeah. Thank you. That's fine. That's fine. Thank you.
What's your name?
He's not.
Okay, but the way he's acting,
I mean, I have paraphernalia. Right?
yeah,
That's why I'm just
I know,
like,
but with the way he's acting, we're gonna...
can we please, I stepped out.
No, I got you. It's just, at this point, we see the paraphernalia, so he has to be ID'd as well.
Okay, but like,
Just trying to get you covered up, and this is all knotted up.
okay, yeah, I'm sorry. I was getting
You're
ready.
good.
Okay, right now you're being detained. The reason you're being detained is for drug paraphernalia, okay? So you have to ID yourself. If you do not ID yourself, you're going to be placed under arrest. We're going to ID
I just don't want to make it.
Step out. I see the gun.
Okay, but
Step out.
step out, dude.
Once Marina Maya Perez was identified and taken into custody, the investigation shifted to her partner, Xavier Garcia, who appeared extremely nervous as police approached. Tensions rose when officers spotted handguns inside the room. Realizing he was trapped and thinking to do anything to escape the situation,
There's a gun. I do not feel safe with you in there. You're not free to leave.
Yeah. Baker 433-foot chase. Fentanyl University. West End. Get on the ground now! Southbound University. Black shirt, yellow design, dark BG, black shirt. Get on the ground, dude!
he fled on foot toward the neighboring Crown Plaza, and when officers were unable to immediately catch him, they called in a heavy backup response.
As soon as you started running after him, like, we got that 16.
Yeah. Well, I figured I was like right there closer, so that's why I kept going. But...
Attention, anyone inside. Room 221 to Albuquerque Police Department. Walk outside my voice and hands free to clean up any objects. If you do so, I can ensure your safety. If you do not force me to use against you, final warning.
She in the car?
Yeah, she's in the car. Her dog's in there, too.
In the car?
Dude, so like, when I walked, like, I got in here, I saw that, and I saw this.
During the search of the room, officers first discovered a massive stash of narcotics, including fentanyl, heroin, and cocaine.
I'm like, fuck. So then, like, I tried to detain him, and I saw that.
Alongside a large amount of cash and several handguns.
Okay.
pull him out, and I fucking grab him. He slips loose. Walk in. See fucking that? See that under there?
Oh, yeah.
I'm like, maybe this dude has, like, an ID. So I go into this bag. I'm like, this looks like a guy's bag.
Jesus. Okay.
So this is a... All right, so here's the thing in question.
Cool. I'll get out of here. It's like a flash. Well, who's to say it's real? But I
That's the
definitely
question.
Staying around here.
So basically, he's like, hey, there's a chick that's got a robbery 29 here. So I go in, automatically I see, like, this here and this here. Dude keeps trying to get me out of the room. Keeps trying to get me out of the room.
Just an NFD?
It looks like some kind of NFT or flash,
I don't know, man.
but that's the thing. It's still going to be 59. You're not going to touch that.
It's right next to a bunch of coke, too. See this bag here?
All right, just to not get yourself in trouble.
Yep, I'm getting out of here. She's in my unit. When do you want to just chill up here? Also, that room's occupied. Should we get them out?
Hold on. Get a picture.
Well, whatever this dude says.
As officers moved in to investigate Marina Maya Perez, they were surprised by an unexpected friend definitely wasn't on the search warrant.
Yeah, dog's in the back. Super nice little puppy.
Okay, dogs, and there's just the one dog. Okay, gotcha, perfect. I just need someone to sign this authorization. I just need a last name, a badge number, and then a signature at the bottom. It's a puppy, you said?
Yeah, it's a puppy, right? Yeah, it's a little puppy. What breed is it?
I don't know, he's a terrier or something.
Terrier mix.
Do I need to call my mom or something?
We got animal control here. She can pick it up from them.
He's not registered. You don't have like any papers or nothing on him.
I mean, we're putting all the stuff in our name, so they're gonna know that you're the owner and stuff. So all you got to do is pick it up. Since it's no kill shelter, your mom can pick it up like today or something.
What's your date of birth?
Phone number?
Yeah,
Phone number.
Good phone number.
9010.
Perfect. Alrighty, do you mind if I speak to her? Yeah.
It's a little cute terrier. It's just a puppy.
An idea, like an ID inside.
So as soon as I went into a bag that looked like it belonged to a dude, shit you not, thousands of dollars. I'm like, backing up. Not gonna go in here.
You guys cleared it?
Yeah, we cleared it. Nobody's in there. It's all good.
Did you guys call Narcs?
Not yet. I'm not sure.
Call just to, so they're gonna have to in.
Yeah.
They'll send bombs in and then.
Do you want to do the whole foot chase thing now, or just hold off on that?
I mean,
I would have been involved. I stuck with her.
wait. Here's my help.
No.
So this dude, like, as soon as I saw the gun in there and the paraphernalia, he's like, dude, get on out. So, like, I get one of his hands, he gets the other one, and he just fucking pulls away right away. He uses his whole body weight, takes off running. He goes after him. I'm like, we got the 16 over here of her. We know we have a confirmed 29 on. So I'm like, I'll stick with her. Grab her, toss her into my unit, go back up there, tell him who's still in there. And then I'm like, he's running. I'm like, I can't, I want to go. But
I'll take your camera just to watch it and then just go.
I guess you get to contact the 57.
I'm good. I don't know.
The dog?
Yeah.
Do you want to grab the dog from the other side?
Yeah, whatever's easier. I just don't want to have to make things.
Oh, we're going to go to the other side and grab the dog. That dog is so comfortable.
Nice to eat.
Yeah.
Maybe once.
Come
okay.
puppy.
It's okay. It's okay, baby. It's
Don't
okay.
you bite me.
It's okay, puppy.
I know, you're just a puppy. I don't
okay,
want to
baby
hurt you,
boy.
and I don't want you to hurt me.
Be
Hey,
nice.
little Nippy.
Be
He's a
nice.
puppy.
Be nice, baby. Be nice. It's
You
okay.
know what? Before you do that, let me get a leash real quick.
Okay.
Be nice, baby boy.
I know,
It's okay.
puppy. Let's make my dogs at home jealous, okay? I know. Hi. Hi.
It's okay, baby. Be nice.
Hi.
Hey, it's okay. No, be nice.
You're just protecting. I
Be
know.
nice. Be nice. Be nice.
I know, buddy.
Do you want me to get in there? Oh, that works.
Bye, baby.
Hey, buddy.
Hey, little puppy.
Alrighty.
Thank you.
Perfect.
Shit, I don't know. I know he left the room. I think he might be in his unit.
I just throw my car right here and just start blocking off this one.
Yeah.
Alright, we all good?
Yeah, unless you need anything more from her.
No. I explained everything to her.
How
She
she
doesn't have any
can-
questions about anything?
Get the dog back or her mom or something
Yeah.
like that. Yeah.
Cool.
Yep.
Thank you.
And ma'am, were you Mirandized? Okay. Did you say that you wanted to talk to the officer?
I mean, I asked him a couple questions, yeah.
Okay. So you understood your rights and you know that at any time you can stop talking. Okay. So right now, with your shirt, I want to let you know, because we've asked you a bunch of questions. We found some explosive ordnance inside there. Probably a flashbang, but due to our standard operating procedure, we need to deal with that before we can go in and grab you stuff to put over for a top, okay? So that's for that. And as far as any questions do you have any questions? No? Okay. So the dude that ran from us, do you know his name?
No.
You don't know his name? Or you just don't want to tell us? I mean, it's fine if you just don't want to tell us, but I don't like mysteries, you know? Like everything to be
I
solved.
don't really like your energy or your attitude. Like, I understand you're doing your job,
Yeah.
but he has nothing to do with me.
Well, see, the issue is there's a lot of drugs in there. There's guns in there. There's a ton of money in there. And if we don't know who he is, then your excuse of like, oh, I didn't know, or that all belonged to him, kind of falls short. Ooh, everyone's looking at something. What are you looking at?
Police units began searching the area, using drones to get eyes on the suspect from above. The drone footage led officers to the west side of the Crown Plaza, where they spotted the man hunkered down under a brown box behind a dumpster.
Yep. My man! Go, get out of there! Shouldn't it be this dumpster?
I was reaching out to see if there was like a
Should we push up to this car right here and we can just yell at him?
Yeah.
Oof. Albuquerque police! I got commands. Face away from me, bro! You are detained, you're not free to leave! You attempt to run, fight, or flee, force means against you! Stop! Grab the top of your shirt, spin in a circle, do it now!
Grab the top of your shirt, bro. Pull up, pull up. I want to see your waist. Spin. You don't have to do that. Okay, drop down to one knee for me, bro. Drop down to the other knee. Put on your shirt real quick. Keep your hands up though. You got cuffs? At the top of your head. Yeah, release your fingers. Are you injured, sir? Where are you injured? Your knee? 1 to 2. Tonight here. Center. Weapon buddy.
795 meeting. We start a transport capable of rescue unit to our
Whoever counts it, just make sure it's on camera. There's gonna be some bills on this side too. What's your name?
Xavier?
Are you sure or are you lying again?
Why would I lie in her?
Well, last time you ran, so.
I was being questioned for no fucking reason. Like I asked, I said I want to speak. In the room. What's going on?
What's your last name, Xavier?
So me being harassed and not being wanted
What's your last name,
running from you
Xavier?
guys or what?
What's your last name, Xavier?
You can do your job and get to go.
You know, we can do this the easy way or the hard way. So, I mean, the longer you do this, you're going to be in handcuffs longer, dude. Until we identify who you are, you're going to be in handcuffs. So.
It's your job to find out.
Okay, you can be a dickhead about it too. It's fine with me.
You can be a dickhead about it. Weren't you guys just fucking harassing me over there?
I wasn't over there.
Who was the one harassing me?
Not me.
We'll explain everything that's going on. You have to identify your first problem. You have a gripe with the original officers.
Okay, sorry about that, you're right. But I don't want to ask no questions because I'm being detained.
Okay, right now you're under arrest.
What?
Resisting and evading on foot.
Resisting and evading?
Uh-huh.
I never did anything wrong. I never did anything wrong.
Well, you know what? We're not here to talk about that. Okay, that's fine, but we're here to identify who you are.
Okay, well, get that shit taken care of and then I'll see you in court.
Xavier.
Who's in charge of the report? You or who's in charge?
Do I look like I do the reports?
Okay, listen to me. If you don't give us your name, we either take you to get fingerprinted. If you've been to MDC before, we'll find out that way. But
why should I do it that way?
Because we changed your charges, because we added extra charges.
I'm not considering no identity. I'm right here, right now. At first, I was not doing a single thing for you guys to question me for anything going on. You guys stepped into my room. I asked to be stepped out. This guy stepped his foot in my way. He was in my way. I was in his way. He was in my way. He was harassing me, bro.
You're placing yourself there. I wasn't there. Okay, stop. You need to be the birth.
I wasn't placing myself nowhere, bro.
Xavier, listen. We're not even
game for him.
about what was going on before. Concealing identity is a whole separate charge. So if you're not
my name is Xavier Garcia. I already told you guys this. I told the officer over there. So what is the problem?
Xavier,
what's your date of birth?
I didn't commit no crime. So why am I being detained right now?
What is your date of birth?
Resisting? What am I resisting? If I was under arrest, what did I do to be detained to begin with?
Those officers were contacting you for whatever reason they were contacting.
They were harassing me. They stepped foot in my door.
That's your opinion, Xavier.
They stepped foot in my door. We'll talk that shit with my lawyer.
That's fine. So, what's your date of birth? Cool. You're just gonna be in handcuffs longer. That's fine by me. I don't care.
The search of the room uncovered a high-level trafficking operation. Officers seized approximately $100,000 in cash alongside a massive stash of narcotics, including fentanyl, heroin, and cocaine. Additionally, several handguns were recovered. Xavier Garcia was charged with multiple felonies, including trafficking controlled substances for the fentanyl and heroin, possession of a firearm by a felon, and resisting or evading an officer following his jump from the balcony. Marina Maya Perez was taken into custody on outstanding warrants for armed robbery and conspiracy to commit armed robbery, along with new charges for trafficking controlled substances and possession of drug paraphernalia found at the scene.